Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas red velvet cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a sifter over a bowl of a stand mixer, adds the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Then sift the ingredients into the bowl and add in the softened butter and eggs, and beat the ingredients on a medium speed for 1 minute. Then turn off the machine. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the buttermilk, Red's gel food coloring, and vanilla extract, and beat them really well together, making sure there are no lumps. Then pour it into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Then beat it on a medium speed for 30 seconds. And turn off the machine. Then add in the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar right on top of it, and immediately mix it in until it's just combined. Then finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in, but don't overmix the batter. Then grease 2 8 or 9 inch round cake pans with non-stick cooking spray. Line each pan with a circle of parchment or wax paper. Then grease that as well, and divides the batter evenly between each pan. Then spread it out until it's even. Then bake them in the oven for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. If you line the pan with parchment or wax paper, you can let them cool in the pans. Then to make the cream cheese frosting, in the bowl of a stand mixer, add the softened butter and softened cream cheese, and beat them on high speed for 1 minute until they're smooth. Then sift in half of the powdered sugar. Mix it on low speed at first. Then once it's all mixed in, beat it on high speed for 2 minutes. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar. And again, mix it on low speed at first, and then beat it on high speed until it's well combined. Then finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then add 1 cup of the frosting into 2 separate bowls. And then color them red and green. Flip the cakes out of the pans and then remove the parchment paper. Spread a little bit of frosting onto your serving plate. Then add on your first layer of cake. Then spread on a thin layer of frosting. Then add on the top layer. Then cover the entire cake in a thin layer of frosting. Then place the cake into the fridge for about 20 minutes until the frosting is set. Then remove it from the fridge and cover it with the rest of the frosting. And now we're gonna top this cake with a Christmas tree. To make it, trim the bottom of an ice cream cone to make it flat. Then place it on top of the cake towards the back. You need to make sure your green frosting is stiff enough to hold its shape. You'll know it's perfect when you take a spoonful and then flip it upside down. If it doesn't fall off, it's perfect. Then add about 2/3 of the green frosting into a plastic bag that's fitted with a leaf tip. Then place the rest of it into a separate plastic bag that's not fitted with any tip. Then take the plastic bag that's fitted with the leaf tip and spread the frosting down to the corner of the bag, press out the excess air, and seal the bag. Then just cover the ice cream cone by piping leaves all over it. Then squeeze any remaining frosting into the other plastic bag. Spread the frosting down to one corner of the bag, press out the excess air, and seal the bag. Then cut off the corner of the bag. Then squeeze the frosting all around the bottom sides of the cake. Then spread the red frosting around the top sides of the cake. Don't worry if it's not neat, we'll fix it in a minute. And also fill any gaps with more frosting. Then using a frosting smoother, smooth out the sides. And with the leftover red, I'm just writing Merry Christmas on top. Then add some confetti sprinkles onto the Christmas tree. And I'm sprinkling some Christmas nonpareils onto the top. And that's how to make a Christmas red velvet cake. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.